Today, we're going rustic with a breakfast that tastes like a crisp autumn morning. Rosemary Apple Farro. This delightful dish combines chewy farro, sweet apples, and the magic of rosemary for a perfect start to your day. For this recipe, you'll need half cup farro, 1.5 cups water, 1 diced apple, half a teaspoon freshly chopped rosemary, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and a bit of honey or maple syrup. And if you like, add a pinch of salt and some walnuts or pecans for crunch. Start by rinsing your farro and simmering it in water for about 20 minutes until it's tender, yet still has that delightful bite. While that's cooking, sauté those diced apples in a pan with cinnamon and rosemary. The aroma fills the kitchen, making it feel like apple pie is in the air. Once the farro is ready, stir in your cooked apple mixture, drizzle on some honey, and give it a taste. There's something special about that rosemary. It's great for memory and digestion. This hearty breakfast can be prepped ahead and is perfect for warming bellies and hearts. Trust me, it's a mix of flavors you'll love. Give it a try with your own herbs, and be sure to share your breakfast bowls with us.